If you're running a busy trade business, I'm going to show you how to stop getting ghosted after you've sent your customer a quote. Okay, so this systematic follow-up system will actually allow you to stop ever chasing quotes ever again. Okay, and having a 24/7 system that will actually get you 2 to 5x more quotes approved without spending any more money on staff, ad spend, admin, or basically doing any more work. Okay, besides getting more jobs. So what's happening here is we're seeing that an average tradie has got about 23 quotes sitting in their system pending or not approved. Okay, so that's obviously so much money that's just sitting there in your pipeline that isn't getting either re-engaged or getting completed. Okay, this isn't because your service isn't good, but simply because you don't have systematic follow-up in place. Okay, it doesn't need to be complex or crazy workflows happening. You just need a simple automated follow-up system. Okay, so here's the exact cause and fix in a visual map so you can immediately implement this and 2 to X your quote approvals. Okay, and the reason why I can say that amount is because we've used this system and got 47% more jobs approved from their quotes with this simple fix. Okay, so quickly, currently, what's happening is inquiry comes in, you spend hours getting their info, trying to book the quote on site, getting them to say yes, okay, getting the technician out there or getting whoever it is, okay, or sending a soft quote through. The customer then goes silent afterwards. Okay, you forget to follow up for days. The customer then books the job in with a competitor because that competitor kept checking in with them, answer their questions, whatever objections they had, they followed up with them and they knew what they were, and then they booked the job in and your quote went dead and you never even knew. Okay, so what this is this normally happens because due to a lack of follow-up. Okay, it's got nothing to do with your service or how good you guys are, or even your pricing. Okay, normally what happens is people like to, homeowners like to be followed up with. They want to ask questions. They want to know what more technical information. So you just want to be there to actually be able to answer those questions for them 24/7. Okay, so what a good pathway for this looks like, okay, with TradeOS is inquiry comes in, your intelligent AI will reply in seconds, okay, within 90 seconds, whether they come through your web forms, your social media, they phone in or they text message the number, okay, customers engage straight away. The AI will pre-qualify them, okay, and answer any quick questions they have to get the right information to make sure it's a good fit for the business, okay, then they will then go ahead and book that quote in, or obviously send in the call out to the technician's calendar. Okay, how it knows how to pre-qualify is because we prompt the AI, okay, with everything about the company. So it knows all about the services, the team, the FAQ, the pricing, everything. So it can overcome any questions, objections, everything like that. Okay, what happens after that is your AI will follow up with the customer multiple times, check-ins to see if they have any questions. Like I said, there could be a little thing where it's like, hey, we got $100 left with another quote. Can you match that? If you've got those parameters allowed in your business, because you don't want to lose a quote just for $100, right? So you just go, yes, we can absolutely match that. Let's book that in. Okay, so the AI knows exactly what to do and how to overcome questions. Okay, if it's obviously super technical stuff, it'll say, hey, look, we're just the assistant here. We'll get our tech to give you a ring. So it's just allowing you to convert more quotes into jobs on autopilot. Okay, what happens then is the customer eventually responds with yes, book it in. Okay, your team shows up, now the job is won. Okay, the difference in terms of these outcomes, right, is now you've got more quotes booked, more jobs approved, cash flow, all while you stay on the tools or you just keep managing the team. Okay, so results here, you can see both of these clients before we implemented the system, within 30 to 60 days, 46 more opportunities, 30 more opportunities, 230 grand more opportunity value, 150 grand here, 44 converted, 23 converted. That's in 1 month. Okay, you can see here, last 31 days, 100% up in terms of what they had before. Okay, this works. So you need a systematic follow-up process that's going to answer any questions that the customer has. You can see here, to get started, could you please let me know which area postcode you're in? This helps us assess your site. Yep, this is where I am. Thanks for that. To narrow things down, can you let me know your budget? For reference, this is obviously for a custom home builder. They're answering all the questions straight away. This will then tell the system that this person fits or they don't. Okay, so it's going to pre-qualify or disqualify them for you. Or if you just want to book in a quote and straight away, that's what it does for you too. Okay, AI then pre-qualifies the lead for the next stage. So then they can go, yes, awesome. We can definitely help you. We have next week available for this time and this time. Which one suits you? They go this time, then the AI will book that into your calendar automatically. Okay, this is happening 24/7 while you're on the tools, you're at home, you're with your family, you're managing a team, whatever it is. Okay, you need a system that's doing this automatically in the background for you. Okay, so you can get more quotes, more jobs booked automatically. This will update in your system. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. If you don't want to do this yourself, okay, obviously our TradeOS system does this. Okay, so we install the system into your business within 48 hours. Okay, this is going to 2 to 5x your revenue without more headaches, spend, or staff. Okay, like we've just shown you how that works. You can literally run this system for $150 a week. It's not a software, it's a system that our team comes in, installs in your current setup, and we manage it ongoing for you, making sure that everything's working and flowing. Okay, we even have our guarantee. If you don't get an extra 2 jobs per month, you don't pay. Okay, so we take all the risk, right? We just want to create a simple system, a valuable system that you can actually generate ROI with and have something that works for you forever. All right. So if you don't want to do it yourself, use our system. Otherwise, if you want actually step-by-step guides on this, on how to do it yourself, we've got the free community below. Click the link. Okay, you can actually join that and get whatever you need in terms of acquisition, outreach, ads, follow-up, all the scripts, templates, everything. Okay, so get the free info below. Otherwise, if you want to partner with us, click the link, book a call with me. We'll map out your customer flows, and we can automate the processes and get you more jobs approved without you working anymore.